Hello, everyone. If you ever find yourself with a layover at Winnipeg Airport, don't waste time sitting around. Head out for a quick adventure. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the most of my 3-hour layover by visiting the Forks Market, one of Winnipeg's most popular destinations. Let's get started. I hopped into an Uber from the airport, and in less than 20 minutes, and for under $20, I arrived at the Forks Market. This place is known for its vibrant atmosphere, delicious food stalls, and unique local shops. If you're short on time like me, this is the perfect spot to experience the heart of Winnipeg quickly. The first thing I did was grab some food. The market offers a variety of options, but I couldn't resist trying the delicious fish and chips from one of the local vendors. It was the perfect way to get a taste of Winnipeg's flavors without spending hours in a restaurant. After enjoying the food, I took a quick stroll around the market. The sights are a mix of modern culture and historical significance. You can walk by the beautiful riverside and take in some great views of the city. Even with limited time, the market's vibrant energy made it worth the visit. The Forks isn't just about food and shopping, it's a cultural hub. If you have a little more time than I did, you can explore some of the art installations, museums, or even catch live performances. And if you prefer public transportation, taking the bus is also a great option to explore Winnipeg further. So, if you ever have a few hours in Winnipeg, don't hesitate. The Forks Market is a must visit. It's close to the airport, packed with things to see, and perfect for making the most of your layover. And remember, if you've got more time, the city has even more to offer, whether you take an Uber or hop on the bus. Before heading back to the airport, I made sure to grab a quick coffee and enjoy the lively ambience for a few more minutes. It's incredible how much you can see and do in just a short. And with that, it was time to head back to the airport. Another quick Uber ride got me there in no time, and I was ready for my connecting flight, feeling refreshed and happy that I didn't just waste the layover sitting around. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel tips and adventure vlogs. See you in the next one.